Hello everyone, welcome to the most practical guide on Facebook ads which you will ever see. Now let us talk about what exactly you can expect from this series. The first thing is whatever we are going to talk about would be based upon all the things which we have learned and all the things which we have applied for ourselves and for some of our clients. The second thing is this is going to be a series which is going to focus on actually applying the Facebook ads and not upon the Facebook ads generic things. Now what do we mean by generic things? Generic things means setting up the business manager, setting up the pixel, or all the different kinds of tutorials wherein you are taught on how to use the interface of Facebook. Now this tutorial is not at all going to be on these things. Now this entire playlist is going to be focusing on how to apply Facebook ads, what things you should think upon while applying Facebook ads, what kind of business you have, and how to apply Facebook ads for these different kinds of businesses. In fact, we are going to skip upon 90% of all the generic gyan which you will find everywhere, like setting up the business manager, setting up the pixel, or all these different things which keep on changing as the platform evolves. As in, the procedure by which you are going to create a campaign today will 100% change after 2 years, 3 years, or you don't know when exactly these changes are going to take place, because the platform will continuously keep on evolving. But the process in which you are going to apply these things, this is not going to change over the period of time. Now majority of time these things are going to be constant. Now we are going to talk about practical application of everything in Facebook ads, and this would be based upon our experience and our learning. And we have run Facebook ads for e-commerce, we have run Facebook ads from multiple clients, and we are going to share everything about this. We are also going to share how we are using Facebook ads to grow our business. So get ready to learn the most practical aspects on Facebook ads, and please do not expect any generic things in this series, and get ready to learn a lot. That is pretty much it from this video. See you in the next video, and get ready for a roller coaster ride.